it's World Oceans Day, I thought I'd do a special episode on something a little bit different. Now, I've spent a lot of time on the rocky shore, either out exploring with little ones or collecting information on species and habitats, but this has pretty much always been in the daytime. I remember my very first nighttime rockpool ramble, which was in Devon about 10 years ago now, as part of a BioBlitz organised by the Marine Biological Association. And I remember feeling totally blown away by how it changed everything. It changed the landscape, the atmosphere, the activity on the rocky shore, how things looked and what we found there. And I'll never forget how eerie it felt seeing crabs being so much more active at night time, scuttling around on the rocks, how amazing it was to see a greater pipefish, and how beautiful different shells and anemones looked under different light. So I'm here again, waiting for the sun to go down and with my special torches, ready to get back onto the beach. Now, I normally see crabs, starfish and anemones here, so I really can't wait to see what's out there.
I first came across some shore crabs that are really common on rocky shores, but you don't tend to see them out in the open like this in the day. They would normally be hiding away. You can see here that there is a larger male hanging on to dear life to the female, waiting for her to shed her skin to mate. The bright eyes of this huge prawn caught my attention. It was so peaceful listening to all the sounds and clicks of the animals whilst watching this one. There was even a velvet swimming crab with its really distinctive red eyes skulking around.
Rock pools are a really challenging place to be in the daytime, and animals have lots of different tricks for surviving out of water. But at night, it provides a time with much higher humidity, meaning that animals can be on the move more without drying out as much.
But the best was to come. This is a snake locks anemone. I was so excited to find one of these, and you will see why. In normal light they look like this, and you can see they are a lovely green colour with purple tips. The reason they are green is because they are home to a type of algae which produces energy from the sun. And here comes the amazing part. If you shine a UV light onto them, they transform into an alien-looking creature because of a special protein in their tentacles that makes them glow fluorescent green. In fact, they are so cool, I will do an episode dedicated to these soon. I think what's so special about exploring rock pools at night is that things that you see all the time in the day that may appear quite normal take on a totally different form and excitement.